Oh my gosh. How possible can that be? Guys, please, let's go ahead and measure it once more. Make it till morning. Hello my amazing people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back to watch my video today. So guys, today's video is going to be a clove water challenge. Like I've been seeing this challenge for God knows how long, and today I have decided to give it a try. It's going to be like 14-day challenge. Okay, I've been seeing people that are doing it like 1 week. I love to give a product like time in order to see if it really worked or not. So this is the clove water. If you have not seen how I prepared it, it's already on my channel, how I made this clove water. Please go ahead and check it out, okay? It's a very simple and straightforward video, just a 2 minute video. So this is the clove water, guys. You help to strengthen your hair, help to prevent dandruff, as well as prevent premature gray hair and many others. Okay, just watch that video. You're going to see all the benefits of clove water in our hair. So right now, before we start, guys, this is my tape to measure my hair. You don't see how long is my hair. So right now I'm going to start from the front here. So we're going to be doing it together, because at the end of the day, we are going to, do it again to see if my hair really add any inches or not. So here, okay, as you can see, the length of my hair is 10 inches, okay? So we're going to measure at back as well. At my back here, the length is 8 inches, guys. So in the front is 10. At my back is 8. So I hope you guys got it. So we're going to, see at the end of the day, after 14 days, if there's any changes, in my hair length, I'm going to cut my hair, because our main target is going to be on our scalp, okay? Because that is where all the magic happens. So if you take proper care of your scalp, definitely you're going to be seeing some changes in your hair growth. I'm not going to be adding anything in this clove water, because I really want to see if this really works or not. But in your case, you can add like all this essential oil, okay, and all that. But first of all, we are going to be doing this just clove water, nothing added. Yeah. I'm done applying the clove water on my hair. If you are doing this, please, the most important point here is for you to massage your scalp like very, very well. Another thing I find out as well is that you can use this clove water as a detangler. Like if you want to detangle your hair, you can use it, but it makes it like soft. Like I can feel the softness. So guys, I'm done for today. Every day I'm going to be putting like short clips so you guys will see it. Then at the end of the day, like in 14 days, I'm going to come out and show you guys my experience and all those good stuff. Yeah. See you guys tomorrow. Okay? Yeah. guys, we made it. This challenge is really not easy because most of the time you might, forget that you are doing a challenge. So most of the time, what I do is like, if I do like today, if I spread the glove water on my hair, I'll just leave tomorrow, then the next tomorrow I'll continue. So that's how I'll be doing it until I completed the 14 days. So this took me approximately like 3 weeks before I completed it. But within that 3 weeks, I make sure that I complete the 14 days. After the last clip, when I was done with the challenge, the 14 days, I waited like 2 days before I washed my hair. So after I washed my hair, I went ahead and braid my hair like this. And that was yesterday. So today I'm going to unravel the braid, and then we're going to measure it again and see if my hair added any inches or not, or if this clove water really worth the challenge. So let me go ahead and lose it so that this video will not be too long. I'll be right back, guys. I'm done losing my hair. This is exact state my hair was the first day I started this challenge. So I went ahead and used my hands to separate it. I did not comb it because I just want to really know if this clove water really worth it or not. Right now, I'm going to get some hair here because this is exact place that I measured that day. Okay. So from here, and I'm going to measure back as well. Oh my gosh. 11 inches. How possible can that be? Guys, please, let's go ahead and measure it once more. So this is how I placed this the first time. And then I went ahead and then stretched my hair until I get to the end of my hair. Yeah. So as you can see from here, so this is the end of my hair, guys. Oh my gosh, guys, it's 11 inches. Is this possible? Like, is this possible? Let's go ahead and measure at my back. So and then I stretch my hair until I get to the end of the hair, which is here. Let's see. Oh my god, this is 10 inches, guys. 10 inches in my back and then 11 inches in my front. Like, is this possible? Like, this possible, guys? Even me looking at it, guys, you can see how soft my hair looks like now after I was done washing my hair, and then I lose it now, and you can see the difference, guys, compared to the first day I started this challenge. What do you guys think? Like, the first day I started this challenge, I did not put my hope high because most of the time, if I use clove water, I use it, to detangle my hair. Even when I use it to detangle my hair, I can see the softness. That's, what amazes me about clove water. If you use it to detangle your hair, you will not be having all those knots and all that. It will just detangle your hair like very softly and very nice. But I didn't even know that it can add these inches within like 3 weeks, which I did like 14 days challenge. If this clove water can, add inches like this, 2 inches within 3 weeks or 1 inches within 3 weeks, then what do you guys think? I think it really worth it. And I told you guys, like, if you are doing this challenge, make sure that you massage your scalp like very, very well. That is only where this clove water going to promote like a hair growth. Okay, it's not the hair that is already there. No, the hair that is already there is only going to make it like soft, but in order to promote hair growth, definitely you're going to spray it in your scalp and massage it like very well so that it will allow the blood circulation. When the scalp is well massaged, definitely it's going to promote like hair growth. Okay, it has been an amazing challenge. Honestly, I'm loving it, and at the end of the day I saw results, and it gives me this inner satisfaction, something like that. Yeah, so thank you everyone. If you're going to try this challenge, do let me know. Or if you have any hair challenge, like any product, DIY product that you'll be trying to try but you kind of skeptical about it, you kind of afraid about, do let me know. Definitely I'm going to try it for you guys to see the product worth it or not. Yeah, thank you everyone for watching, and I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Bye for now, guys. Bye.